Hey y'all, I am here to show you how to make one of these. I ended up getting hitting a certain amount of subscribers on my Twitch channel, and I said I would make the Scooby-Doo skull from the live action, and that's what we're doing. So here's a tutorial. And this was the stuff that I ordered from Amazon, not sponsored. I just thought I would need them, and I did need everything in here. The glass mosaic tiles, I will say I did order 2 because I wasn't sure for the surface area for all the spikes I was going to put on. And I will say this, I only needed 1, and I had like a little less than half once I was done everything. Just to kind of give you a ballpark of how much I needed for him. And then I used the Pepsi cardboard in order to make the spikes. That did take me a couple hours. I glued them all together using the Gorilla Glue. And I forgot to film this part, but I did sand down the skull beforehand with some sandpaper that I had laying around, because if you don't do that part, you're gonna have a lot harder time trying to bedazzle him later, as well as trying to stick on the spikes to the skull itself. So, yay! And here's me on Twitch bedazzling it. This was all done on the live stream, and it took around, I think, 3 hours and 40 minutes to also give you like another ballpark estimate of how long this took. The Twitch link will be down below. I ended up doing around 95% of it on stream. The other 5 to 10% was just the touch-ups off of stream, and you'll see that a little bit later. But I will say this, the mosaic tiles, the glue that comes with them is really, really good. It's just, he's a little curvy. He's a little curvy guy. So I did end up having to use some Gorilla Glue. But I will say, for what they're worth, really good adhesion. But I will say this again, please sand it if you do this, and sand it really good, because some parts of it just didn't stick to it, and it's because it wasn't sanded as well as it needed to be. So please go in and sand if you do this. And this is Addie. She's the best cat in the entire world. I absolutely love her. She's my child. She decided to come and help me out before I started to do the touch-ups on him. I will say this, as you could see in some of the shots, some of them aren't perfectly completely covered, and some of them even right now, some of them still are a little I want to say loose, and it's just because of the shape that it's on. The actual Scooby-Doo disco skull, they had different types of shapes for it, and I was googling different types of shapes of mosaic tiles, but these ones were definitely seemed the best for your buck. So I will say, for what it's worth, I really like how it turned out. It's not perfect, but it's mine, and I love it. And here are the glamour shots. Ooh. The tutorial. Ooh. Thanks for everyone who watched, and thanks again to all of my subscribers, to everyone who subscribed and gifted. Thank you so much, and I will see y'all later. And thank you again. I'm really grateful. Okay, bye bye.